When looking for your next product to sell, it is not just important to look at review competitiveness and saturation within the category and niche. Keyword search volume is an extremely important data point because it can determine the future and scalability and success of your actual product and brand. Let's go. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Prestige Amazon FBA YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, welcome to the family. My name is Andy. I'm a multi-six-figure Amazon FBA seller, and I've been selling on the Amazon FBA platform for a few years now, doing private labeling. So if you're new here, welcome. If you guys have any questions, again, feel free to leave them down below. But if you guys haven't already checked out the Prestige Amazon FBA Mastermind Facebook group, check it down. There's a direct link below, or go ahead and search on Facebook, Prestige Amazon FBA Mastermind. We're growing every single day, super active, so feel free to ask any questions also if you have there. If you guys have an Instagram, I also post daily on Instagram, so you can follow that at the official Andy Lamb on Instagram. And if you guys are interested in a free 30-minute coaching call, all you guys need to do is stay till the end of this video to find out how you'll be entered into winning that. There's one free giveaway every single video, so be sure to stay tuned. So you're probably in the process of doing your product research. You're looking for a product that isn't too competitive to start your Amazon FBA business or your private label business. You followed all these YouTube gurus and you followed all these courses that tell you, a certain criteria to follow. For example, if you're looking for a certain item within a certain keyword, you want to make sure that the top 10 listings or 5 listings have under 75 reviews or something like that. And then you use tools like Jungle Scout and Helium 10 to verify the sales and make sure there's actual demand for these specific items. But is that data enough for you to actually make a good judgment for whether or not that product has high potential and could bring you a lot of sales and isn't competitive? So if you haven't seen my last 4 giveaway videos, it's basically a small series that I did just for the Prestige fam. I basically do live product research using a tool like Jungle Scout, just to basically give away free products to you guys, so definitely go check that out. But in those videos, I use Jungle Scout's keyword research tool to help me verify whether or not certain products are viable in the not only in the long term, but not only in the short term, but also in the long term, to see if there's enough demand throughout the year and see if there's enough demand to, scale the actual product. So at this point in the video, you might be wondering, what the heck is keyword search volume? So keyword search volume is basically the amount of time, say within a given amount of time, say within a month, how many people are searching certain search terms. So let's say you're curious and you want to sell a garlic press, the classic example of a garlic press. You can use a tool like Jungle Scout to either do a reverse ASIN search or actually search the term garlic press. You can input garlic press into Jungle Scout, and Jungle Scout will shoot out almost exactly how many people are searching exactly the search term garlic press on a monthly basis. So that could give you a really good idea of the demand of the product and how many people are looking up for the phrase garlic press. And if you guys are interested in Jungle Scout, there's a limited time 50% off in the link in the description. There's a direct link there. I probably haven't seen a deal like this in a while, and I've said this on my Instagram, so definitely go grab that as soon as you can, especially if you guys are interested in starting an Amazon business, or if you guys are interested in testing out Jungle Scout. Great deal. But you're also able to use this point as another point of validation. So you're not just going onto the Amazon FBA platform, or you're not going onto the Amazon platform and looking at review counts and saying, oh, this is doable, this guy doesn't have too many reviews, this is something I could get into, or you're not going into different categories and saying, oh, it's not too saturated, this niche isn't too saturated, it's something that I should get into. You also have this keyword search volume as another point of validation, arguably one of the most important parts of validation in my opinion, especially going into 2020, or we're in 2020 now, but definitely use this as a point of validation because it's extremely important. So just to make this crystal clear, I know this may have been a little confusing, especially if you're just starting out, but say you are selling something like a pen, or say you're selling something like a bamboo pen, and it's doing about 500 sales per month, and you see that using Jungle Scout's extension, or you see that using some software extension. You see that it's doing 500 sales a month, and you say, oh, this isn't bad, this is something I can get into. It only has 50 reviews. It's something I could get into. I could just make it like a 2-pack or something like that and throw up my listing up, and it should be doing well. But you don't know the actual keyword search volume, and you don't know where this product is driving all of its traffic from. So it could be that after doing your keyword research that you see, oh, this guy's only he's ranking highly for maybe bamboo pens, right? He's selling a bamboo pen, and that's the main keyword, and let's say he's Amazon's choice. But if you do your keyword research and you see that bamboo pens only has 100 searches per month, so that means on a monthly basis this guy's taking away 50% of the traffic for bamboo pens. It's hard to compete if this guy's basically taking all the sales for bamboo pens. If you were to come into this, you'd be fighting for the rest of the 50% split amongst the other listings. So hopefully that solidifies that idea for you guys, and it reinforces why keyword search volume is super important. On the other hand, let's say bamboo pens had 40,000 search volumes on a monthly basis, and this guy was only taking 500 of the sales. That would be a pretty good opportunity because he only has 50 reviews, and chances are everybody else has slightly less or within that same range. So there would be more searches on a monthly basis for that specific item, meaning more potential sales for your product, meaning more scalability potential as well. But hopefully that helped you guys out. Hopefully that's another key data point for you to take into account. So not only are you looking at reviews, saturation, but you're also taking into consideration keyword search volume, because it's extremely important. But thanks again for staying till the end of this video. If you guys are interested in that free 30-minute coaching call, all you guys need to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below #PrestigeAmazonFBA. And if you guys have any questions, also drop those down below. Again, I thank you guys for tuning in. Welcome to the family. I'll catch you guys at the next video. Peace.